Hello, I'm Brandon P.T. Davis, theatrical scenic designer. Today, I'm going to share with you a Vectorworks tutorial on the installation of a workspace and template. Workspaces and templates are used to standardize communication when working in Vectorworks as a company or organization. If you obtain a Vectorworks user folder from an organization, in this case, this is the Vectorworks 2021 user folder for the University of Texas in El Paso. I recommend that you copy the folder and place it in your documents. I'm going to take mine and place it in my documents. Now that the folder is placed in my documents, I can minimize and open Vectorworks 2021. After installing Vectorworks 2021, open the software. I have the software open here. You need to access the Vectorworks preferences. The quickest way to access Vectorworks preferences is to click the arrow icon here. Vectorworks preferences is on the bottom. Now click Choose. This icon saying changing the user data and preference folder may require a restart of Vectorworks. You will be given the opportunity to save unsaved documents. Are you sure you want to continue? Click Yes. Next, you need to access the Vectorworks user folder that you placed in your documents. So I'm going to go to Documents, scroll until I find the Vectorworks folder. Do not go into the folder. Make sure that you are on the topmost where it says Folder Vectorworks 2021 User Folder. Select the folder. The first question, would you like to copy the contents of the existing user data and preference folder to a new location in order to retain all your preferences and contact? Click No. It says now, do you want to save the changes you made in the document untitled 2? Click No. Vectorworks will shut down. Press OK. Now that Vectorworks has closed, we are going to go back into the File Explorer. We're going to go to the C drive, Program Files, Vectorworks 2021, and Workspaces. If you're using a Mac, you will do a similar process, but instead you will find the Vectorworks 2021 application folder, still going to the Workspace folder within the application folder. We are going to delete all of the Vectorworks workspaces that are default to the software. Deleting the Vectorworks default workspaces will streamline your workflow when only having the workspace that is provided by your company or organization. Now I'm going to close and reopen Vectorworks 2021. Now that we have opened the Vectorworks software, we see that all of the tools and palettes are in the proper place. The next order of business is to go to File, New, scroll down and open the UTEP Basic or whichever basic template your company has provided. Press OK. That completes the tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you.